Chandrababu Naidu, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, who's been pushing for a special financial package for the state. And this comes right ahead of the big budget that's going to be presented, the union budget that's coming in barely a week's time. TDP, in its pitch, we hear, has raised concerns over the current financial status and conditions of Andhra Pradesh. And this message has gone to the Home Minister. We hear that Chandrababu Naidu has discussed this extensively with Home Minister Amit Shah to speak of the dilapidated financial condition within the state of Andhra Pradesh, basically insinuating that Jagan Mohan Reddy's party had really brought down finances to such a level where they are struggling to cope. Ahead of the union budget session, TDP chief and Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu with Home Minister Amit Shah. He's been told in detail about AP's financial condition and how the state right now has an enormous debt. Sources have told India Today, while no special status demand was made to the Home Minister by Chandrababu Naidu, the issue to resolve the financial crisis has definitely been discussed. There's mutual agreement that the centre and the state governments will work together to resolve the crisis. That's what a message that we've got from inside sources tracking this story. TDP and the BJP are in an alliance in the centre, remember, and even in the state of Andhra Pradesh, they're allies and they're really banking, TDP at this point, banking on the BJP, the NDA, the centre, to aid them. Those close to Chandrababu Naidu indicate that TDP is eyeing this special financial package running into $1 billion. Let me cut across to, we have our correspondent Amit Bharadwaj joining us. Amit, please go on. What more do we know of Chandrababu Naidu's meet with Home Minister Amit Shah? We know a financial package was asked, but it appears there's been added pressure with Chandrababu Naidu landing into Delhi just a week ahead of the budget and sort of accelerating that message, driving that home.
Right, Nabila, in politics and governance as well, optics is something that matters a lot. Chandrababu Naidu, the TDP chief and Andhra Pradesh chief minister, came down to Delhi and met Home Minister Amit Shah in the evening yesterday post 9 p.m. And in that particular meeting, the sources have indicated us that CBN has very clearly, given a detailed report about the financial state of Andhra Pradesh as to how the finances have been devastated during the previous regime of the YSRCP, led by Jagan Mohan Reddy, and Chandrababu Naidu has also spoken about the enormous debt that Andhra Pradesh has right now. Now, this is also important in a way that you are coming right before the union budget. You are meeting the Home Minister and giving him details of the financial state of Andhra Pradesh as well as the white papers, apparently, which has been prepared by the TDP government, or for that matter, NDA government in Andhra Pradesh. Those details have been shared with the Home Minister as well. We know for a matter of fact, the sources have told us that no demand for special state, special status for Andhra Pradesh have been made out by Chandrababu Naidu. But yes, those who are close to Chandrababu Naidu had indicated us earlier as well that special financial package is something that the TDP is looking at, because that is the only way the problem for Andhra Pradesh can get resolved. The sources told us that there is a mutual agreement between the BJP and TDP that the central government and the state government will work together to resolve the crisis, because without a mutual work and assistance, there cannot be any resolution to the financial crisis that the Andhra Pradesh is in right now. And more importantly, while TDP is alliance partner in the central government, the BJP is also an alliance partner in Andhra Pradesh. So it benefits both parties if there is a mutual consensus and agreement on issues. So those close to Chandrababu Naidu is definitely, sources close to Chandrababu Naidu definitely indicating that special financial package is something that the TDP will keep on eyeing on.